going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every week. So let's just get right into it, guys. You guys thought I wasn't going to do it, huh? Thought I wasn't going to make this video, but it did. So let's just keep it quick, keep it short, and let's, get to investing, guys. Today we are at, if you've been following along, we're going to check out our little portfolio here. So I'm going to bring up the old phone. And so what do we got here? In the portfolio, got about 88 bucks. Minus 465 in Cosmos and 13 cents in Stellar. So what do we got here? We have Solana, which is doing pretty good, guys. Our Solana's doing pretty good. After our purchase, I believe it left us with like 18 bucks or something. We're now at $21. Magic token as well. We invested after fees. It came out to like 18 bucks. Usually everything comes around to like $18 after the Coinbase fees. So Magic is back up to $20. So we're doing pretty good there. Fetch AI, not doing too good. We're down on that one. Also Polygon, we're down on that as well, but I'm not worried about Polygon because Matic, it's not going anywhere. It's already incorporated heavily into Ethereum, so that is definitely not going anywhere. Threshold's not doing too good, but like I said, it's only 20 bucks. It's not going to break the bank. So what are we doing today, guys? I'm going to go ahead and we are going to go ahead and check out. No, not going there. Okay, let's go to our watch list, guys. Go to our watch list, and then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Today, we're going to be checking out Uniswap, guys. What the heck is Uniswap? Uniswap is an exchange. They're an exchange similar to like Coinbase and stuff like that, where it's an Ethereum exchange. So not only can you exchange your Ethereum for all these different tokens, but you can also connect to dApps and stuff. So let's just check it out here. It's a lot, guys. Uniswap has been around for a long time. I used to use Uniswap a lot when I was heavily into crypto, and I had a lot of money into crypto earlier on. A couple years ago during the last bull run, I was using Uniswap all the time because it connects very nicely if you have a MetaMask wallet, and it's just very integrated. It's very integrated. There's new tokens coming out on there all the time. People are listing tokens all the time. They do have pools where you can pool your money, your crypto together, and you can earn there. You could also stake there. So Uniswap, Uniswap is one of those places, one of those exchanges that, one, it's super established because it's one of the originals, and two, people are always listing their tokens there because it's established. So Uniswap is definitely a token we want to get into. Especially right now because the token's down just like everything else, but we are uptrending. If you want to check out the website, I'm not going to read a bunch of stuff on the website like I normally do. I'll probably do another video on it next time, but I'm just going to go ahead and connect to the app real quick so you guys can check it out. Looks like they do have they got their own app now, guys. They got their own app. So if you guys check this out, right here it says connect. Go ahead and click on that, and you can connect to your wallets. Collect your new Uniswap You can collect to Wallet Connect, or you can connect to your Coinbase wallet. Um, I don't have anything in my Coinbase wallet. I don't think. Let me go ahead and connect that. Let me see. Whoa. What? What? Doesn't recognize me, guys. I'm an imposter. Definitely an imposter. So don't hack me. I have nothing. Anyways, so here's the app. This is what the app looks like right here. As you can see, you can select a token. And like I said, tokens are being listed on Uniswap all the time. Literally all the time. Look at all these guys. And a lot of these tokens, a lot of these tokens are newer tokens, meme tokens, or just like a lot of risky tokens that have a lot of volatility. So, when you're investing in Uniswap, you really got to pay attention to what you're investing in, because you can get scammed. You can get scammed. People can list tokens on here that are not very credible, and they're just trying to rug. Rug is when they put out a token. They have liquidity into it, but they have a back door. So the second that everybody invests in it, it skyrockets, and then they pull the rug out of under you. They take all your money. It's happened to me plenty of times in crypto, so I'm just warning you guys now. But definitely check it out, guys. Definitely check out Uniswap on your own. Go ahead and take the time to do that, because this place, this exchange, it's definitely the business. It is definitely the business. You can swap, like I said. Here are some token listings where you can go browse. You can also check out some NFTs. They have an NFT exchange here, so you can go ahead and check those out. Here's all the NFT creators. You can probably go click on those. Let's check one out. Let's check one out real quick. Yeah, so check this out, guys. If you guys been into NFTs at all, these penguins are pretty freaking popular. Look at that. 19 ETH, dude. 19. Wow. These things, 20 Ethereum, these things are out of control how expensive they are. That is insane. But people buy them. People buy them. They're just collectibles. They're just art collectibles. This is connected to OpenSea.io. That's where you can create your own NFTs if you want to. But look at that, 30 ETH. These things went wild during the NFT bull run. It was insane. Anyways, click down here. We're going to go to pools right here. And I don't have anything. Well, I'm not connected, but this is where you would connect your wallet, and then whatever assets you have in your wallet that you want to pull together, you would be able to do it right here. What you would do is you would just you would stake your tokens into these pools, and they would most likely be locked for a certain amount of time, but you would be earning a percentage off of your crypto. So I made a lot of money just in staking during the last bull run. That was one of the major things that I used to do. I was going to go ahead and teach you guys that here on this channel, but this video is for beginners, so we're just going to get back to the beginner stuff. So, all right. Oh, I was in my Coinbase wallet. I'm going to go back to Coinbase here. We're going to go ahead and close this out. And like I said, I'm going to put a link down below for Uniswap. That way you guys can check it out on your own. And we're just going to go ahead. We're going to buy some Uniswap, guys. If you guys check it out, we are at 615 right now for the day. Earlier, sometime today, we were at 592. So, decent little jump. We're going to go back a week and roughly about the same. Let's go back a month. Yeah, it seems to be trending about the same, ups and downs. Let's go back a year. So similar, same thing. We've just been up and down, just riding the roller coaster here. But we're going to check out the all-time, because during the all-time high, that's when the last crypto bull run was, when Bitcoin was doing amazing. And these are the type of numbers that we expect to see once again, during this next bull run, with a lot of these tokens that have been around forever. So Uniswap, like I said, is one of them, guys. So the last bull run at the all-time high, we're at $45, guys. $45. Before the bull run, we were at $1.76. So, you can just imagine. You can just imagine how much money you would have made off of that bull run. And we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again during this bull run. So right now we're going to go ahead and buy some. We're going to use some USDC. We're going to put in our $20. We're going to exchange our USDC because I already uploaded for my bank. I already put some money in here. So we're going to transfer, or we're going to exchange our USDC for Uniswap. So we're going to go ahead and review this order here. And we will get 2.9 Uniswap at a Coinbase fee of $1.50. So we'll go ahead and give it a little screenshot. And then we are, whoa, so fast. Do you guys see that? You guys don't really understand. You guys don't really understand how fast that is. Wow. When I first got into crypto and I'm going to go ahead and go to done. We will rate you later. But you guys don't understand how crazy. I'm going to go ahead and refresh everything. How crazy transaction times used to be. There we go. There's our little Uniswap right there. $18.33 after we made our purchase and after our fees. We got 2.99 Uniswap tokens. If I were you, I would stock up on some Uniswap because, like I said, Uniswap is where it's at. Uniswap is the freaking business. But anyway, guys. Lost my train of thought. But that's going to do it for today. Let's check this out. Hold on. Oh, no, I don't have any NFTs. Okay, never mind. We're not going to go there. But go ahead. Check out Uniswap's website. And go check them out, guys. Go check them out. Go browse. That's what I used to do back in the days. I used to just browse these little exchanges, all these little crypto exchanges, and I would see what they had to offer, see what was trending. That's how I used to find a lot of my tokens. If you've been here for a while, you would know about our previous series called, what was it? 3 Cryptos with Potential. That was a really awesome series when the bull run was going on and a lot of developers were making these new tokens, all these meme tokens. A lot of them I found on Uniswap. So definitely go check them out. And later on, we will be making a couple more videos on Uniswap. That way you guys can see firsthand, what staking is all about. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below. Do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do. And we will see you next time. Peace!